Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Among all the bearish stuff, we have a bright light of hope, new use case for Bitcoin, and new good news. And this has to deal with Sony. This actually is an article. It's been reported in many places, but the one I'm looking at right now is from Bitcoin.com. And basically what Sony has actually done is that it filed a patent for Bitcoin wagering on PlayStation and other consoles. It plays off of the growing market of esports, and esports is going to just continue growing. It's not only LOL, but it's a lot of other games as well. I think esports might actually become almost as popular as normal sports in the future. It's getting really big with several leagues actually starting and several games gaining a lot of popularity. Remember, like my generation, like basically the I guess the millennials were the first generation to grow up really with computer games. Like Gen X before us, and especially baby boomers, they didn't really have that while growing up. But like basically the millennials, and then obviously the Zoomers, and then like whatever comes after the Zoomers, essentially they are basically growing up immersed in this stuff. League of Legends, like esports thing, is really big. There's millions of people watching, and it draws up some really big sponsors. And also like TV is kind of falling out of favor. Everyone's like watching YouTube and online stuff. They're streaming. So this will get bigger and bigger in the future. And basically putting Bitcoin wager on esports ties in cryptocurrency with a really, really big use case. So basically they filed a patent for gambling or wagering esports system. Obviously there's some regulations to be done with gambling and wagering. The patent was actually filed in 2019, but I think it's more coming to fruition. And what it actually does, it actually allows people to bet on the outcome of esports games. I think like it's kind of, they'll be able to play like esports, kind of like fantasy. They'll be able to bet on certain players and certain statistics as well. It will really be like sports gambling, except like this platform will probably be the bookie. It'll probably be handled with smart contracts, and you will be wagering Bitcoin for right now. Now, right now it's only Bitcoin. You'll probably be able to wager other cryptocurrencies as well, because we know Bitcoin transactions cost a lot. And unless this is built on Lightning, which I don't know if it actually is or not, like that's going to be a real hindrance. This is going to be through the PlayStation, first of all, because that's kind of like Sony's crown jewel of consoles. And this definitely could be another stream of revenue for Sony, because they'll probably take a small scrape off the top of any bets. A small scrape of billions of dollars or tens of billions of dollars of bets is still a lot of money. So this is a big business opportunity for Sony. But like this actually goes together because esports people are the younger generation, and also besides esports people actually being the younger generation, Bitcoiners and cryptocurrency people are generally of the younger generation too. So you could actually see billions of dollars of usage of Bitcoin in this new use case very soon if Sony actually implements it. And since they've actually filed the patent for in 2019, I do actually believe this use case is actually coming to fruition very, very soon. So you'll be able to bet on the outcome of League of Legends things. Don't bet on NA. With this Sony platform soon in esports. I'm not really sure if League's actually on PlayStation. Maybe they'll just have this like platform on PlayStation that allows you to bet on the outcome of esports regardless of the platform, because that actually would make a lot more sense. So remember, this is another big usage for Bitcoin, and as soon as you have enough transactional revenue, I think the regulations are going to have to be a little bit better for cryptocurrencies. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.